Look at this beautiful, bright, sunny day we have behind the house. And then, what's behind us, Leia?
Rain.
Yeah, if you look out the front of the driveway, you can see it's actually raining right over there on the lake. So I'm gonna back up into the garage here, put the camera on the tripod. So today we're gonna be cleaning up some of the things here in the garage. We're going to be feeding the snakes today, and feeding the snakes means that we're going to be taking care of their food first. We raise our own rodents for our snakes. We just really like to know what's in there, right? So we're going to feed the snakes, but first we got to take care of the rats, and it is like a weekly chore. It's cheaper for us, honestly, even though we don't have too many snakes, but we just maintain the population of what we have well. So it enables us to raise food to the specific size of what our snakes are, so that we're not giving them something too small or something too large. And it's really it's cool to just know what is in the animal. We give them a lot of our veggie scraps from the kitchen, and they eat a lot of very healthy food. So these rats are definitely very spoiled before they're used as food for our animals. So we believe in just giving them the best. Like, yeah, they also get stuff like this, a Hass avocado. You know, this is something that most people pay good money for in the grocery store, but this is a good one. We might eat this one, but there's some that we get out of the yard that fall on the ground, and we try to recycle all this stuff, and that way we can make sure that this delicious avocado isn't wasted. Those rats will eat it, and they do love to eat this type of thing. So yeah, we'll get right to it in this video, and you guys can see the process of what we do when we feed our snakes here in the Gamble household.
This avocado looks like more like a...
What was that?
More like a egg.
Yeah, don't worry, Leia. You didn't look scared on camera at all.
Okay.
But if you did, we're putting it in the video.
No.
Yeah. Hey, Pink.
He's like, let me out!
You want to come out? She probably feels that cool breeze rolling in with this storm and is thinking, no way.
There's one around us. It's like looking across the lake now. It's not raining. It's like moved over there. Like it was coming towards us and went.
Okay, Weather Girl Kim there says that the storm has avoided us. So yeah, it looks like Pink is not interested in coming out. Maybe Floyd will be. He's usually the more friendly of the two, honestly, even though he's a bit scarier, because when he bites it hurts way worse. There he is. They always feel so hot. Floyd, come on, pal. All right. I guess we should clean the rats. It's always me who gets distracted, so.
Oh, really? He says it's always him. Let me tell you what. He's not wrong. This is a 3-tier rack system that we have for the rats. Up here are the mice. So, we'll just show you guys what we do. We just stick them into the tubs so they're nice and safe, they can feel comfortable, and then we clean the tubs out. Let's go!
So yeah, she's a really beautiful snake. I love womas and blackheads. They're probably my favorite pythons. Oh, who am I kidding? They're definitely my favorite pythons. And I wish I could just keep a bunch of them. Yeah, this is a really nice one. Super faded pattern. And her head is very, very light yellow. Even the dark spots on her head are not really too dark, so I really like this light type of Woma. She does calm down somewhat with handling, but you saw, look, she just bit herself trying to get to me, so I'm not fooled by her calm disposition right now. I will even have her, look, she's going to try and bite my shorts. Don't do it, girl. Don't do it. Come on. Just let me love you. Please. So yeah, she's definitely going to eat. If you could guess, she's never missed a meal. Ever. Even in shed, she'll take a small meal. So, go ahead and let me get her water dish out. We're going to change that. So earlier I was on the phone with my buddy Alex Makuda, and I tried to screen record it because while we were FaceTiming, I was going to plant something because, you know, we just FaceTime and go in the yard and do some gardening while we're FaceTiming. That's what we do. And I had this little Tillandsia air plant I was going to stick on an oak tree while he was on the phone with me. And as I'm walking through the yard with the air plant in my hand, there's a garter snake on the ground, right? And so, you know, there's a garter snake. I pick it up immediately after I show him on FaceTime while it's undisturbed. I pick it up. And of course, you know, any snake that I pick up, I try to pick it up kind of gently, as long as it seems like it's not escaping from me or something. I'm letting it chew on my hand. And as I'm letting it chew on my hand, you know, I start to feel like a little bit of a burn to it. I've been bitten by hundreds of garter snakes. I mean, maybe not hundreds, but I've been bitten by a ton of garter snakes. It's like one of the first snakes I caught as a kid growing up. And this is my hand, right? This is my hand. What is going on? Look at this. Look how swollen my hand is. Look at that. It's like a hot dog. Look at my two hands.
I told him it looks like it's like a cartoon or something.
Yeah,
But look, seriously.
It's like a
yeah,
cartoon.
his arm is low and that's big.
Yeah, just look at Leia touching it. Look at her finger touching it. Look, poke my hand like that again. Look. Like, just poke it. That's a pinch. Poke it like that with one finger. See? Now look. Now push how hard. Look how squishy that is.
Yeah,
I hope you can get it on camera to see just how like raised up this is. It's crazy,
yeah,
and it's like all soft and puffy.
Yeah, because this one's lower. Can you see the
I mean, I hope you can see that because my hand isn't this fat.
Oh,
Can
you
you?
can definitely tell.
Yeah.
We're gonna attach the video too of him getting bit. There's no audio on it. I don't know why it didn't record with audio, but he did take a screen video of him actually getting bit, so we'll attach that so you can see.
It's mostly just my friend Alex's face, though, like laughing because you see the snake like, ah! screen record right as it's detaching from this bite, and you see it bit me one more time right there, but this bite was the second one that got me really good there. A lot of salivation on there, and there's also some swelling here. So like, look at my hand here, all right, and then look at here how swollen this is. It's just thick. It's real thick.
It's really funny.
Oh my